Hello. Okay. Hello. My name is Lama. I'm 23 years old. Hi. And I'm a nurse, intern nurse. Okay. And my hobby is dancing, cooking, and playing game. And what else? I'm the oldest in my family. And one of my hobby is gaming. So that's the way I
Good.
I know Alifa, and
Yes.
she was a really good friend, and it was my pleasure to help her today with the lesson.
I Hello everyone. So today we will learn about BIPA, or we call it Bahasa Indonesia bagi penutur asing, or Indonesian language for foreign students. So our material will be, the first one is about how a spelling alphabet in Indonesia. So there are
Yeah.
difference using alphabet pronunciation in Indonesia. For example, A pronunciation in Indonesia is A. Can you pronounce it
Okay.
A? A.
Yeah.
And continue to B,
Pe,
B,
pe,
okay? C,
che,
D,
de,
E,
e,
F,
f,
G,
ge,
H,
ha,
I,
i,
J,
j,
K,
ka,
L,
l,
M,
m,
N,
n,
N.
m,
Oh yeah, you have a different pronunciation using N.
n. Okay. N.
Okay, that's
Like
correct.
that?
So O,
Yeah. O,
P,
p,
Q,
q,
R,
r,
S,
s,
T,
t,
U,
u,
V,
v,
W,
w,
X,
x,
Y,
y,
Z.
z.
So actually, you know how to spelling Indonesian alphabet using pronunciation in
Okay.
Indonesia, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. We will continue to the another material. So,
Okay.
Indonesia, to make easier, because the material will use the pronouns, atau in Indonesia is kata ganti orang. So I will explain to you
Okay.
first about pronouns changing to Indonesia. So,
Okay.
me, Indonesia, we have two types, aku and saya.
Aku and saya. What's the difference between them?
So aku, it's much more informal using. Um, um, s- Beside of saya, it's
Oh
formal
yeah.
using, because usually people using aku when they
Okay.
talking to their friends, or
Oh.
and beside of that, saya, people usually speaking it when they talking to the people that actually older than them, or in the special
Oh.
occasions place. So
Yeah. Yeah.
mostly people using aku rather than
Aku.
saya.
Okay. Okay.
The second one is you. You
You.
in Indonesia we call it kamu. So when I
Kamu.
talk to you, I'm actually will say it, aku talking to kamu.
Oh. Okay.
And then we have
Come.
us. Us,
Okay.
we have kami and kita.
Okay. Kami and kita.
Kita.
Kami, it's like kita, yeah. But kami, it's like kami in Japanese. Kami forgot. It's
Oh,
the same sound, right?
right.
Okay.
Then we have them,
What?
or we call it mereka.
Okay.
And Indonesia, when we pronounce another person or third persons like her and him, we actually have a same word,
Mm-hmm.
dia. So whatever you woman or man, we will say when we're talking to for a third persons, we will say dia. We don't need to
Okay.
have a different
Dia.
pronoun like her and him. We can only use dia.
Like in both gender, dia.
Yeah, they using for both gender. Dia can be
Okay.
used for both gender.
Okay.
The last one is
Okay.
it or ini.
Ini.
Yeah. Can you pronounce
Okay.
it aku and saya?
Okay. For me, we were gonna say in Indonesian, Aka and Saya. Aka for informal, Saya for formal, you,
Yes,
Kama, and us, Kami,
kami.
and for them, yeah, and for them, we're gonna say Marika, right?
Mereka.
Maraka, okay. And for her and him, both we can use Daya, and for
It's
it,
more like dia.
okay, we're gonna say Dia, like
Yeah,
that, right?
that's correct.
Okay. And for it, we're gonna say Anna,
Ini.
Ini, okay.
Okay, you finally pronounce it correct. So we will
Yeah.
continue to actually our material for today.
Okay.
So our material is about introduction, or Indonesia we
Okay.
call it perkenalan. So before we continue our material, can you introduce yourself in English, like your name
Okay.
and from who?
Okay. My name is Lam Halbi. I'm 23 years old. I'm an intern nursing student, and I'm the oldest in my family. My hobby like playing games and read.
Okay, that's we will discuss what you talking about, like your introduction to the Indonesian language. So actually the material
Okay.
you already learned, but in Indonesian versions.
Oh yeah.
Okay. And what things to say in introduction or di perkenalan kalau in Indonesia. So we have
Okay.
7 things to say in perkenalan. Introduction
Proknan.
mean
Oh
perkenalan.
yeah. Okay. Proknal. It's your introduction. Okay.
So the first thing in perkenalan is
Okay.
sapaan or greetings.
Okay.
The second one, we have name atau Indonesia is nama.
Okay.
The third one, we have umur, or in English is age.
Oh yeah.
The fourth one, we have asal, or your origin.
Okay.
The five one when alamat or your home address.
Okay.
The sixth one we have pekerjaan or occupations.
Okay.
And lastly, we have hobby. And in English, it's also hobby. Different
Yeah.
writing, just only different writing.
But the same pronunciation. Yeah.
Yeah, they have same pronunciation, but in different writing only.
Also for Omar, age. You say in Indonesian Omar, right?
Can you repeat?
For age in Indonesia, you say Omar, right?
Yeah.
Same in Arabic, we say it Omar.
Oh, so umur, you will say as what?
In Arabic, we say Umr for age. Like, for example, I'm gonna ask you, how old are you? In Arabic, I will say Kam umrik, like Umr in Indonesian.
Oh, that's interesting.
It's really similar. Yeah, it's really similar.
Maybe some of Indonesian language can from the Arabic sometimes.
Yeah, maybe.
I think that's why they have a similar name sometimes.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, we will continue for fanatic questions. What do you think? What are they doing?
The three picture.
Yeah,
The first one, I will start from the left. The first one, maybe two friends meeting in coffee shop or something in the street.
do you guess what are they doing?
Greeting each other.
Ah, that's correct.
Okay. And the second one, a co-worker
Yeah,
starting their shift and discussed about the goal or the plan of the day to accomplish in the work.
that's correct.
And the third one, people wear traditional clothes and greeting might be the
Huh, that's correct. What you said, like in the third pictures about the culture, about the wearing a traditional clothes. That's what's correct. That's one of the Indonesian traditional clothes. And also these three pictures about how they greet each other.
yeah,
So I have small example of sapaan or greeting in English.
greeting. Okay,
Can you repeat after me? So
okay,
I will say first and then you can continue after me.
okay.
Okay, the first one is Hi Andi.
Hi Andy.
Hi Alia.
Hi Alia.
Apa kabar?
Apa kabar?
Yeah, that's correct. Baik,
Baik,
baik.
baik,
Um, ba,
baik,
ik.
baik.
That's correct. So,
Okay.
you want to be Andi or Alia?
Alia.
Oh, so I will become Andi, and then you will become Alia.
Okay. Okay.
You can follow the instruction number.
What you want me to say the fourth?
Um, you can say from Hi Andi first.
Okay. Hi Andy.
Hi
Apa
Alia.
kabar? Hi
Baik.
Alia. What?
That's okay. That's fine. Maybe the instruction is not really clear. but how you pronunciation
Okay.
the sentences is actually correct. All the things.
Okay.
After that, we will continue to understand what is sapaan. Do you still remember what is
Okay.
sapaan?
Actually not. It's
Um,
from the introduction. Tapaan.
yep, it's a part of introduction. Is greeting, the first thing,
Okay.
introduction. Do you say something?
So what you will... Yeah, yeah, I see. No, no, no. Just wait a minute. Sorry.
I will continue or
Okay. Okay. Continue. Sorry.
okay, that's okay. Because it's so hard to heard from another device here.
Yeah.
So sapaan is a greeting in Indonesia.
Okay.
So sapaan or greeting adalah kata atau ungkapan yang digunakan untuk menyapa atau memanggil seseorang saat berbicara. Or I will translate it. Sapaan
Yeah.
is a word or expressions that be used to greeting or calling someone when they were talking.
Okay. Like sapaan for greeting.
Like for the example that from before, apa
Mm-hmm.
kabar is one of the greetings or sapaan.
Okay.
So sapaan or greeting have many of expressions. We will
Okay.
discuss all of them, but we will take a part of some of you. The first we will learn about three expressions.
Okay.
So I will explain a small about this expression because we will discuss it later and from another slide.
Okay.
So the first expression is say greetings or menyapa. For example,
Okay.
a small example is like say hello. The second
Me
one,
apa for hello. Okay.
oh hello.
Yeah, yeah.
The second one, we have expression to asking how are you doing.
Okay.
The third one is expression to say thank you, or in Indonesia we call it terima kasih.
Okay. Terima kasih.
Do you actually sometimes heard about the word terima kasih?
I hear apa kabar.
Oh, you heard about apa kabar before?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, we will continue to expression to say goodbye or berpamitan.
Pemamitan. Okay.
Okay, we will discuss about these three first. The first one is menyapa. Menyapa in English, or we call it greetings, have
Okay.
two kinds in Indonesia, formal and also informal.
Okay.
We will go to the formal first. The formal one, we usually say selamat pagi or siang or sore or malam. So in English,
Okay.
if you want to understand about this, it's like we said good morning, good afternoon, good day, good evening, and good night.
Oh yeah.
So that's why I
Okay.
said selamat is good, but it's different type when you say it's it's a very good. It's different things. Good in here, it was when you want to tell the time like good morning, and that's why we're
Okay.
using selamat. So in
Okay. I can
occasion,
use.
do you have any question?
I can use. No, no, no. I can. I just want to check the pronunciation of good and formal in Mapa and Indonesian. I'm going to say salamat. Selamat. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Combine it with the one of pagi or
Oh.
siang or sore or malam. So we will say selamat pagi, for example.
Okay. Okay. Like sama pagi or sama sore.
Yes, you will say
Okay.
in a formal way. We want if we want to say selamat pagi, usually you say it to someone that older than us, or we just met them.
Okay.
We don't really
Okay.
know about them.
Oh.
So that's why we're using selamat pagi, or
Okay.
we say it to teachers or lecturer. It's much
Okay.
formal way to using selamat pagi to them. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand that.
Okay, we will go to the informal.
Okay.
So informal, we have a lot of things. Maybe you already know one of them. The
Okay.
first one is hi.
Oh yeah. Similar to
Or in
English.
English, they're writing like H and I, right? It's hi.
Mm.
The second one we have hello. The third one
It's
we
like
can using pagi, siang, sore, or malam. We don't need to use
okay.
selamat if we're talking in
Oh,
informal way.
like friend or family maybe.
Yeah, when we're talking to our
Okay.
friends or family, we can using only pagi or
Oh yeah.
morning like in English.
Okay.
So in Indonesian culture also there are informal way menyapa or greeting people. For example, like
Mm-hmm.
Assalamualaikum. We
Okay.
actually do it.
Yeah, yeah. Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah, we
Okay.
usually using it to other people too.
Yeah, yeah. I know.
The second one we have salam.
Salam.
The third one we have swastiastu.
Last yesterday.
Because Indonesia have a lot of religions, we cannot use only one of greeting from one region. So Salam and Swastiastu is from another religion. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Okay.
wabarakatuh is one of the religion of Indonesia is Islam.
Yeah.
Another
Yeah, yeah.
other two is another religion from Indonesia.
Yeah, it's same here.
Okay, I will continue. I have any
Okay.
question for formal and
No,
informal?
no, no, it's very clear, Wallah.
Okay, so we will say about sapaan formal or greeting in formal way. Because I'm not
Okay.
explain to you what is selamat pagi before, or siang, malam, or sore.
Okay.
So we will go to the first one. Selamat pagi. Can you
Okay.
say it with me?
Selamat pagi.
Yeah, that's correct. The second one is selamat siang.
Selamat siang.
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 Yeah,
Selamat
that's correct.
siang.
We will continue to selamat sore.
Selamat sore.
The fourth one we go to selamat malam.
Selamat malam.
Nah, okay, I will explain to you. Pagi in English is called morning.
Okay.
The second one, siang, can be a good day or afternoon. This one is really confusing me too, because some people using selamat siang in English can be a good afternoon, or they using good day. But for me, I prefer using good day for selamat siang.
Okay.
Because why I say that? Because afternoon it's much more identic to selamat sore for my
Okay.
preference.
Okay.
So lastly, we have selamat malam. We can using for a good evening or good night. Difference. Do you actually know about the difference of using good evening and good night?
Yeah, the good evening, like for me, I say it between 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. That's the afternoon time for me. After 5 p.m., I'm gonna say good night. Like it's time, class.
So Indonesia, we will combine the evening and night in the same way, using only selamat malam.
Lama malam, okay.
Yeah,
For
that's right.
evening and night.
Yeah, evening and night using selamat malam. Like right now,
Okay.
do you think which one is your um time right now?
My time right now is 4 p.m.
Do you think it's which one?
Lama malam?
It 4 p.m. It's still afternoon, right?
Yeah.
So we will say it. Selamat sore.
Okay, selamat sore. Okay.
But for me, because it's already night, so I will say to you, selamat malam, Lama.
Okay.
This is the time of selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat sore, and selamat malam. So because my time is already past 18:30, so actually my
Okay.
time is already selamat malam right now.
And for me, selamat sore.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, we'll continue. Do you have any question about this?
No.
Okay, we will go to example for menyapa. So
Okay.
from this picture, there are Lala and Ramat. They are want to go to school in the morning, because
Okay.
Ramat come first and Lala just come
Okay.
by.
Okay.
Ramat say to Lala, "Selamat pagi, Lala." And then
Okay.
Lala said to him to answer his menyapa or greeting. He said, "Pagi, Ramat."
Okay.
So if you want to say good afternoon to me, what will you say to me?
Afternoon. Selamat sore.
That's correct. Then I will say to
Yeah.
you, sore lama.
Okay.
Okay, we will go to the another material. It's about one of the Indonesian culture about handshake.
Okay.
So Indonesia we have salim and salam.
Okay.
Although it seemed like have a quiet um a similarity in writing salim and salam, but it's actually
Yes.
different things. For
Yeah.
salim,
I can see.
do you do salim too in your country?
Yeah, we do it for my mother and my father.
Ah, that's correct. That's same to me too.
The,
Our
the
country,
same culture, I think. Yeah.
do you have any explanation?
No, and for salam, we do it with friend, other member of the family, like cousin, aunties, something like that. And salam for the older people they are really close. My father, mother, grandmother, and grandfather. We will greet them. We will kiss their hand or our head.
Ah, Indonesia, we actually do um not only to our parents do salim, but we can
Okay.
also do it to the teachers.
Oh, okay.
So if we want to go home before the class is ended, we will salim to the teacher too.
Oh,
So
so a
it's
lot of respect. Yeah, I get that.
yeah, because salim is much more respected to the older people. So we respect our teachers. We will do salim to them.
Okay. Okay.
And also salam, there are two types because the first one is actually handshake like this to the other person.
Okay.
The second one we will do this for
Okay.
if um
For
someone prefer that way, if don't want to touch the man. For our
okay, yeah,
girls don't
yeah.
want to touch men, we will do this usually.
Okay.
Do you have a similarity culture to Indonesia? What is?
Uh, Salam and Salim. Yeah, it's really similar, but for foreigners, we're gonna say like Assalamu alaikum without moving our hand or something.
You
Just
just
say that.
only say assalamualaikum only. Don't use the handshake.
Yeah, without handshake or put our hand near to our face, like the third picture.
Oh, the third pictures. So one of
Yeah.
the pictures is one of another religion in Indonesia. They
Okay.
say Swastiastu. It's really
Yes, yes,
hard to
too.
pronounce. I know because I'm really hard to pronounce it too.
Uh, can you repeat it? I'm gonna say it.
Okay, okay. Another ex expression of Indonesian culture about handshake is when we say Om Swastiastu.
Was yes, too.
Yeah, that was really clear and really nice pronunciation from you. So I will say I will be a Sarah
Okay.
and you will be a Lily.
Okay.
I will say it first. Om Swastiastu Lily.
Was yes, too, Sarah.
That's correct. Congratulations. And we can also using using this when we want to say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Of course, you know how to answer that.
Yeah, yeah. وعليكم السلام ورحمة
Yeah,
الله
that's correct.
وبركاته.
That's correct. We'll, we will continue. Our material is about um to asking
Okay,
how are you doing? So in
okay.
expression to asking how are you are other people's doing, we will say in bertanya Indonesia is asking. You don't know that.
Okay.
So
Britannia
women,
for asking. Okay.
yeah, menjawab is giving answer from that asking.
Oh, for Bertawa, asking and answer mean jawab.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the first one is bertanya other
Okay.
people's kabar.
Okay.
The first one is apa kabar, like we do in the first material.
Yeah. For
Second one,
greeting and
yes. The second one is bagaimana kabar Anda or kamu.
okay.
For example,
Come
Anda
on.
is
Okay.
using in formal way.
Okay.
Kamu is informal way. We can say it to our friends or our family.
Okay.
Another type of menanyakan kabar is gimana kabar kamu
Okay.
or gimana kabar Anda.
Okay.
So we continue to menjawab or
Okay.
giving
The
answer from the
answer. Yeah.
answering from that asking.
Okay.
So when people asking us, gimana kabar kamu, we will say to the
Okay.
one of them is baik or
Okay.
baik-baik saja.
Okay.
For this one is actually said I'm good. So if you the second one we have sehat dan and
Okay.
tidak sehat. So
Okay.
sehat.
Just can you,
Hmm?
Latifa, can you give me just 2 minutes? I'm gonna go and come back. Okay.
Oh, okay, that's okay.
Okay. Hello. You hear me?
Yes,
Okay. Sorry.
that's okay. That's okay. I just having a drink.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
So I will continue to from menjawab.
Okay.
Okay. When people asking our how are you doing or menanyakan kabar us, we will say to them baik or baik-baik
Okay.
saja,
Okay. Baik atau baik-baik saja.
baik saja.
Baik-baik saja.
That's correct. The second
Okay.
one we have sehat
Sehat,
and tidak sehat.
tidak sehat.
So it's mean healthy and not healthy.
Oh,
So sehat is healthy
okay.
and tidak sehat it's not healthy.
Okay.
So
Okay.
In Indonesia, tidak. In English is not.
Okay. Not
So we
healthy.
can answer negative or positive depend what's our feeling today.
This.
It
Okay.
it's not really um happy um our doing right because we have positive and also in our negative time.
Okay.
The third one we can say Alhamdulillah.
Okay. Alhamdulillah, that one is the most easier.
Yeah, that's what's more easier. Mostly
Yeah.
people in here or Muslim people when another people asking or menanyakan kabar um menanyakan
Okay.
kabar kita or us, we will say to
Okay.
them Alhamdulillah.
Mm,
Are you actually when people asking how are you doing, you also say Alhamdulillah?
yeah, we say Alhamdulillah bkhair, Alhamdulillah, like that. Yes, we say it.
It's much longer than us.
Yeah.
The lastly is puji Tuhan, but it's mostly using by another religion. It's one of the
Oh,
religion said. I think it's
okay.
mostly using by Christian people.
Oh, okay, okay.
So we as Muslim maybe it's not right way to you say puji Tuhan.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So if I asking to you bagaimana kabar kamu? What will you say?
Sahid,
Um, sehat.
Sehat. Okay.
That's it. I will
Sehat.
repeat my
Okay.
question again. Bagaimana kabar kamu, Alma? Lama.
Sahid, Sahid, or
Sehat.
Alhamdulillah. Sehat. Okay,
Alhamdulillah.
okay.
It's hard maybe to you. So if you asking me my kabar or how are you doing,
Okay.
what will you say to me?
Uh, apa kabar?
And I will say to you, baik-baik saja. Alhamdulillah.
Okay. Okay.
So there are notes that I give to you is kamu and like before kamu and anda is same to say third people, but anda it's more to formal way than kamu.
Okay. Okay.
We'll continue. Oh my god, I'm like ah, it's nah, it's one or asking kabar or menanyakan kabar. For I have this conversation here.
Okay.
This is a picture. Um, there are two friends that asking one of her friends is not feeling well till today.
Okay.
So the first one is Dara.
Okay.
Dara tell Diana, bagaimana
Okay.
kabar kamu, Diana? And Diana
Okay.
says to Dara, tidak tidak sehat, Dara.
Okay.
Oh, you want
Diana
to
not feeling
be
good.
you want to read both of the question or only one?
One.
Okay, do you want to be Diana or Dara?
Diana.
Okay, I will be the Dara.
Okay.
You can start it.
Okay. Bigma. The first one.
Yeah.
Bigma Kabar. Kami. Diana.
It's wrong, but it's
Okay.
not quite wrong. But bagaimana?
Bagaimana.
Bagaimana?
Bagaimana.
Bagai
Bagai.
mana?
Bagaimana.
Nah, that's correct.
Okay.
Bagaimana
Bagaimana.
kabar
Bagaimana kabar? Kami.
kamu?
Kamu. Bagaimana kabar? Kamu. Diana.
That's correct. Maybe we can repeat it again.
Bagaimana kabar? Kamu. Diana.
That's correct. And I will say to
Okay.
you, tidak sehat, Dara.
Okay. Okay.
That was a really good pronunciation from you. We will continue to under material. It's about expressions, about one of things, another things of in introductions is nama or name.
Okay. Okay.
When people ask you, what is your name? We will say siapa nama kamu? So
You want me
when
to pronounce here?
siapa nama kamu?
Siapa nama kamu?
That's correct. It's mean what is your name?
Okay.
So I have two type to answer that questions. Question siapa nama kamu? So I will say, let me introduce myself. My name is. In this context, we can use our full name. So I will say,
Okay.
my name is Alifa Karnisa. Or Indonesia, I will say, nama saya adalah Alifa Karnisa.
Okay. Okay, I will do it for me, okay?
Okay?
Nama saya Adiha Lama Al-Harbi.
Nama saya is correct, but adalah is a little bit wrong. You can say
Okay.
ada
Ada
lah.
Adalah.
Nah, that's correct.
Okay. Okay. Nama saya Ada
Lah,
Adahi Adahila
ada
Lama Al-Harbi.
adalah.
Adalah Lama Al-Harbi.
That's correct.
Okay.
The second one, we have kamu bisa panggil saya
Okay.
Alifa. For this context,
Okay.
we can use our nickname.
Okay.
I will repeat my pronunciation again. So
Okay.
you can call me in Indonesia is kamu bisa panggil saya Alifa.
Okay.
Do you have any question about?
Okay. No, thank you.
All right,
Clear.
we will continue to our example from nama.
Okay.
Like I said before, we can say, perkenalkan, nama saya Alifa Lichklein. Kamu bisa panggil saya Lich.
Okay.
So I'm using saya and aku here. They have a same sentences, but I using a different pronoun. It depends when we using that informal or informal way. Can you
Okay.
guess which one is we using it informal?
The first one is formal,
The second one?
kaya. It's informal, kaya.
That's correct.
Okay.
Do you understand about nama?
Yeah, nama, yes, introducing the name on that.
To introduce our name.
Yeah.
We will continue to about our age or umur, but before that, I need to explain to you about how we say number in Indonesia, because it
Okay.
will be related to age or umur.
Okay.
So when we want to say one, we said satu.
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 Satu. Okay.
This two is dua.
Dua. Okay.
Tiga.
Tiga.
Empat.
Empat.
Lima.
Lima.
Enam.
Enam.
Tujuh.
Tujuh.
Delapan.
Delapan.
Sembilan.
Sembilan.
Sepuluh.
Sepuluh.
Sebelas.
Sebelas.
Dua belas.
12.
Okay, I will stop here because
Okay.
when we go to 13, we can change this into 13. We can add belas and add it. Like 14, we can use empat and add belas. So
Okay.
it will become empat belas.
Okay.
So after the counting of 11 to 20 is done, we will continue to 20. 20
Okay.
Indonesia is 20.
20.
So we actually have 10 minutes left before this end, but I will be faster in counting.
Okay.
Okay, 20 is 20. When we want to say
Okay.
it as 21, we will say 20 add 1. So it will become 21.
Okay.
They have the same patterns from 20 until 100.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, I
we'll
notice in
go.
every.
You want to ask me something?
No, no. No, no, no. It's clear.
No. Okay, we will continue to age. So age Indonesia is umur.
Yeah.
When we want to asking people what are they age or how old are you, we will say to them, berapa usia kamu?
Okay.
And we will answer that. They have two types. The first one is saya berusia. For my example, I am 20. I will say saya berusia 20 tahun.
Okay.
The second one is umur saya ialah 20 tahun.
Okay.
So how old are you actually?
23.
So 23 Indonesia is 23.
Okay.
I will continue the example.
Okay.
So I'm using 21 in here. So I will say
Okay.
it. Saya berusia 21 tahun.
Okay.
So because your age is 23 and you will say saya berusia
Okay.
23 tahun.
Okay.
Can you
Saya berusia
dua
puluh tiga
tiga tahun?
tiga tahun.
That's correct.
Yeah.
We will go to the material is about origins or Indonesia
Okay.
is asal.
Okay.
So the question for asal, we usually using kamu berasal dari mana?
Okay.
So we will answer that question. For example, we can using saya berasal dari our origins. For my example, I'm from Bangka Belitung. I will say
Okay.
saya berasal dari Bangka Belitung.
Okay.
So in origins, I'm saying that is one of province Indonesia. One of province in Indonesia is Bangka Belitung, and that's where I come from.
Okay.
The second one is asal saya dari Bangka Belitung.
Okay.
This is the example for asal or origins. Like I said before, I'm using the
Okay.
same example.
Yeah, it's okay.
Where are you come from or origins?
I'm from Saudi Arabia.
Saudi
KSA.
Arabia.
Yes.
Do you have a real specific from Saudi Arabia?
Yes, from Medina.
Nah, you will say Madinah, Sarab
Okay.
Arabudin. So I will say saya berasal
Hello.
dari Madinah.
Okay. Saya berasal dari Medina.
Saya berasal dari
Medina.
Madinah. That's
Yes.
correct. And then we will go to address Or in
Okay.
Indonesia is alamat. We can say our
Okay.
street home, and
Okay.
also same like origin before, we can say our country.
Okay.
So when we want to asking what is your address, Indonesia we will say alamat kamu di mana?
Okay. Alamat kamu di mana?
That's correct. After that, we will answer it. Alamat saya di your address home. For my
Okay.
example, alamat
Oh, yeah.
saya di Pagarawan, Bangka.
Okay.
Another type, we can also say saya tinggal di Jalan Pagarawan, Merawang.
Okay.
This is the example using alamat or how we say it. For example is alamat saya di Gang Juwita, Bengkulu. Where is your street home?
Um, my street home is Hijra Street.
So what you say?
I will say Alamat Sayudaya Hijra Street.
That's correct.
Okay.
We will go to nah. Before we continue to our material is about occupations, we will say learn a few of job Indonesian. So
Means
job is kepekerjaan can or beside of job we call is occupations. So one of the first one is guru. Guru in English is teachers.
okay.
The second one is nurse. In Indonesia, we call it perawat.
Parawat. Like for me, I'm Parawat.
Oh, yeah, you are perawat.
Okay.
Okay, the third one is worker. We can say it pegawai.
Okay.
The
Pagawai.
fourth
Okay.
one is fireman. We will call him pemadam kebakaran.
Pemadam.
Pemadam
Okay. Pemadam.
kebakaran.
Kebakaran. Okay.
Yes. And then we have farmer.
Okay.
On Indonesia is petani.
Botani. Okay.
That's okay. We have chef. Indonesia is koki.
Koki. Okay.
Contractor. It's almost same in Indonesia is kontraktor.
Contractor. It's not.
So the lastly we have doctor, but in Indonesia we call it doctor.
Okay.
Which one is related to you?
Goro. Like for teacher.
Um,
Like my father.
nurse? Are you nurse?
Yeah, I'm a nurse.
So if you're a nurse, you are called in Indonesia is perawat.
Prawat. Okay. For
Okay.
me, my job is Prawat.
Yes. So occupations or job Indonesia is pekerjaan. When we want to
Okay.
say
Pekerjaan.
Do you have any question?
No. I just say it after you so I can pronunciate it
Oh,
right.
you want to pronounce it pekerjaan.
Pekerjaan. Okay.
That's correct. So, when we want to say, what do you work as? We'll say,
Okay.
kamu
Kamu
bekerja
bekerja
sebagai apa?
sebagai apa?
Okay. That we will answer that with saya bekerja
Saya
sebagai
bekerja sebagai
your job perawat.
perawat. Okay.
Or we can using saya adalah
Saya adalah
seorang
seorang
perawat.
perawat.
We have example here. I'm using teachers, so I'm using guru.
Okay.
Saya bekerja sebagai
Okay.
guru.
Okay.
Yeah, mostly we are also using the third one is saya adalah seorang
Adalah
guru.
seorang guru.
For me, because I'm still students, I will say it,
Ya.
saya adalah seorang murid. So,
Murid.
murid.
Okay.
Indonesia, murid in English is students.
Okay.
So, lastly, part in the introduction, we have hobby, or in English, still hobby.
Okay. Yeah.
Just have a different writing.
Pronunciation. Right in there.
So, the questions when we're asking other hobby, we will say, what is your hobby in Indonesia? We call it hobi kamu apa? That's correct, apa?
Okay.
Hobi kamu apa?
Okay.
So in here, we will answer it. First one is hobi saya adalah, for example, is painting. Indonesia
Okay.
is melukis.
Okay.
The second one is saya suka. And then we add our hobby there.
Okay.
After that, we have some of vocabulary or word of hobby in Indonesia. From this picture, do you have one of your hobby here?
Hobby like dancing, maybe, or cooking also.
Cooking
Okay.
and
Dancing, maybe.
dancing. So,
Yeah.
dancing Indonesia is menari.
Okay. Menari.
Menari. The second one is cooking. Indonesia is memasak.
Memasak.
So, we will combine that. Hobi saya adalah menari, dan memasak.
Okay.
Dan in English is and.
Uh,
Can you repeat after me? Hobi
okay.
saya
Which one? The first. Hobi saya
adalah
adalah
menari
menari
dan
dan
memasak.
memasak.
The second one is saya
Saya
suka
suka
menari
menari
dan
dan
memasak.
memasak.
Okay, we continue to expressions thank you or terima
Okay.
kasih.
Terima kasih.
So, we have a different kind of expressions to say thank you or to terima kasih. First one is terima kasih banyak.
Okay.
And second one we have is terima kasih. Difference from terima kasih banyak or and terima kasih. Terima kasih banyak. It's more than terima kasih. It's a lot of a thank you. Like thank you
So much
is
like
terima
that.
kasih, and terima kasih banyak is thank you very much.
Okay.
And it's similar also in makasih banyak
Okay.
and makasih. But mostly people using terima kasih in writing and a lot of things than makasih.
Like
Makasih
the
is
first one,
really informal.
more. Oh yeah, I was about to say that.
But terima kasih also can be formal and also informal. But makasih,
Yeah, yeah.
it cannot be a formal way.
I
So
get that.
to answer that thank you, we can or menjawab terima kasih tersebut, we can say sama-sama.
Sama-sama. Okay.
The second one is terima kasih kembali.
Terima kasih kembali.
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 The third one is nggak apa-apa.
Gak apa-apa.
Nggak apa-apa in here, it's like
Yeah.
that's okay. But mostly people answer terima kasih, they will use the sama-sama.
Ah. Yeah.
After that, we will go to the example of thank you or terima kasih. For example is she asking another person to said get well soon. The first one
Okay.
is cepat sembuh ya. And then the second one person will say thank you or
Papa.
terima
Okay.
kasih.
Okay.
So she pray her to be well soon. So the other person
Oh.
will say terima kasih.
Okay.
So to conclude all of them, we have example here. to conclude our material, this is the example of Zoom being full of the self-introduction that we learned before, like we using
Okay.
nama, alamat, asal, umur, pekerjaan, hobi,
Mm,
serta sapaan. So I
okay.
have one of this example full.
Okay.
Maybe in here don't have any voice, but
Yes. Silent.
she will say, I will pronounce all of the self of introduction example.
Okay.
Halo, apa kabar? Perkenalkan, nama saya Raina Lilia. Kamu bisa panggil saya Raina. Umur
Okay.
saya 20 tahun. Saya berasal dari Jepang. Saya tinggal di Tokyo, Jepang. Pekerjaan saya
Mm,
adalah guru. Hobi saya adalah melukis. Terima
Okay.
kasih. And now maybe you
Mm,
can repeat after me.
okay.
I will say it first and then you continue after me.
Okay.
Halo, apa kabar?
Halo, apa kabar?
Perkenalkan,
Perkenalkan.
perkenalkan,
Perkenalkan.
nama saya
Nama saya
Raina
Raina
Lilia.
Lilia.
Kamu
Kamu
bisa panggil
bisa panggil panggil
saya
saya
Raina.
Raina.
Umur saya
Umur saya
20
20
tahun.
tahun.
Saya berasal
Saya berasal
dari
dari
Jepang.
Jepang.
Saya tinggal
Saya tinggal
di Tokyo,
di Tokyo,
Jepang.
Jepang.
Pekerjaan saya
Pekerjaan saya
adalah
adalah
guru.
guru.
Hobi saya
Hobi saya
adalah
adalah
melukis.
melukis.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
That's really good pronunciation of you to set
Thank you
example
because I
of
have
sub
teacher.
introductions.
Yeah.
So in the halo apa kabar, it's a sapaan. Nama
Mm-hmm.
saya Raina Lilia is one of nama, and
Okay.
kamu bisa panggil saya Raina is one of nama, but is
Okay.
nickname. The first one is full name. Umur saya is one of umur, and then saya berasal dari Jepang. It was origin or atau asal. Saya tinggal di Tokyo, Jepang. It was address or alamat Indonesia. Pekerjaan saya adalah guru. It was occupations or job. Indonesia adalah pekerjaan. Lastly
Mm-hmm.
is hobi saya. It was hobby. And last
Yeah.
one is expression. to say thank you
Thank
atau
you. Thank you.
terima kasih.
Okay.
After this, we will go to practice.
Okay.
So in this practice, we will using your information to do your self-introductions or to say your perkenalan diri. So we will start from halo apa kabar. Can you do that?
Okay. Halo, apa kabar?
Yes. And then we'll go to perkenalkan.
Perkenalkan.
Nah.
Nama.
Yes.
Nama.
Yes.
Nama saya Lamal Harbi.
That's correct.
Ya. Kami bahasa Bangga.
That's wrong.
Saya.
Kamu.
Kamu, okay.
Kamu bisa kamu bisa panggil kamu bisa panggil saya. Okay. Al-Harbi. Al-Harbi.
Nickname. Yeah.
Umur
saya. Umur is a little bit hard for me to wait.
Yeah, 23.
Yeah.
Indonesia is 23.
23 tahun. 23 tahun.
Can you repeat from umur saya?
Umur saya 23 tahun.
That's correct.
Okay.
We go to origin. Saya
bisa
berasal
dari Saudi Arabia.
That's correct. We go to address.
Okay. Saya tinggal Hijrah Street.
Hijrah Streets. And pekerjaan
saya
adalah perawat. So we will repeat again.
Berkajini saya
adalah
perawat. Okay. Sorry.
That's okay. That's fine. We will repeat again. Pekerjaan saya adalah
pekerjaan saya adalah
perawat. Can you do by yourself?
Okay. Pekerjaan saya adalah perawat.
That's correct. We will go to hobi saya adalah
hobi saya adalah
menari dan memasak. Like you said before, your hobby is dancing and also cooking. Dancing is menari and cooking is memasak Indonesia.
Okay.
So, can you do it by yourself?
Okay. Hobi saya adalah menari dan saya.
Dan
memasak.
Last one is expression to say thank you. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Congratulations. You already do self-introduction Indonesia.
And you was a good teacher, Allah.
Alhamdulillah. Do you have
Alhamdulillah.
fun actually?
What?
Do you have a fun learning about
I
Indonesian?
have, yeah, I found a lot of things similar to Arabic, like in culture and pronunciation, like Umar in Indonesia, and Salam alaikum and Salamat, and a lot of things.
A lot of Indonesia use
Yeah,
Assalamualaikum.
yeah. Um, I really had a good time teaching new things and knowing a lot of things about other culture, like beautiful culture like Indonesian. So I really had a good time.
Okay, thank you for your response. Can I ask you which one of
Yeah.
the material is easier and where is one of the hardest for you to learn?
The easier, it's Omar, and the
Umur,
harder, yeah, the harder was occupation
occupations.
and
Be
hobby. Yeah,
yes, and because occupation, you need to learn about the vocabulary first.
yeah.
So it it's one of to saying goodbye. The expression of
Okay.
saying to say goodbye. Or in we say it berpamitan.
Burmamitan. Okay.
Berpamitan.
Burmamitan.
Berpamitan.
Burba. Burmamitan.
Yes. For example, expression of um, berpamitan is sampai jumpa.
Sampai jumpa. Okay.
Or we can say it again, sampai bertemu.
Sampai bertemu.
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 Yes. And then we have selamat tinggal.
Lama tinggal.
And lastly, Indonesia culture too, we also said Assalamualaikum.
Yeah, assalamualaikum.
And then we
That one
will
is
end.
easy.
Yeah, that was what we usually use to say goodbye to.
Okay.
And then answer that expression, we can say sampai berjumpa lagi.
Sampai berjumpa lagi.
And then we have sampai bertemu lagi.
Sampai bertemu lagi.
And then we have waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
So we are already in the last material because the time and also the material is about BIPA 1 or a beginner
Okay.
level. So this expression also say to say goodbye to you or sampai bertemu.
Okay.
Okay, that was the last one. Thank you very much for your these questions, Lama. Thank you very much to helping me.
You're
Oh,
welcome. It was my pleasure to help you.
thank you very much. Or in Bugis, terima
Welcome.
kasih.
Terima kasih to you too.
And then I will say to you, sama-sama, Lama. Okay, maybe that's it. Or much.
Do you hear me?
Yes.
The voice is not
Oh,
good quality of voice.
I think because in my device they said connection.
Hello? Yeah, the connection is not
Can
good.
you hear me?
Yeah, now it's
Nah,
clear.
because before they said my connection is worse.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
It's okay.
Maybe I will
Okay.
close our lesson today. Thank you very much
Okay.
for you, Lama, for
Welcome.
helping me.
Okay. Thank you.
And also
It was my
thank
pleasure.
you to to join this lesson about BIPA or Bahasa Indonesia for atau untuk penutur asing or Indonesian language for foreign people. Lastly, I will say to you,
Okay.
thank you. Or in Indonesia we call it terima kasih.
Terima kasih to you. I really learned new things today, and I hope you in the future you will be a good and great teacher. I know that.
Thank you very much for your supporter.
Welcome. Welcome. Have a
Okay,
nice day.
thank you.
Goodbye. Hello.
Halo, halo Lama.
Hi. Hi,
We still have
Alisa.
3 minutes
Okay.
before the Zoom
Okay.
close again.
Yeah. It's
Thank
okay.
you very much for your help, Lama.
Welcome. And I
And
really
to say thank you to my older sister
welcome.
because because
Welcome.
she was arranging me meeting you, right?
Yeah, she talked to me and say my sister have a presentation about foreigners and she have this research. So can I give her your account? I say sure, why not? Give it.
Because it's really hard to looking of people that not actually creep. Because I'm found a lot of
Ah, yeah,
creep
yeah.
people out there.
Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, I'm gonna close. Okay,
Okay?
okay. Yeah, how is that? Okay, that was my annoying sister.
That's okay. We still have one
So,
minute left
okay.
before this.
What's your major? What's your major?
Hmm,
English or what?
I was 6 semester in
Oh,
English education study programs.
so your major is English or
Yes,
teaching?
English educations.
Oh, okay. Mm-mm.
My teacher
Okay.
is
And you
biology
are in the
biology
sixth.
educations, but me,
Oh,
I'm in English educations.
okay. It's good.
Maybe
I have a lot of future like teaching or anything.
because the time is over, Lama. I need to
Okay.
stop this Zoom.
Okay.
It's really
Bye.
glad to talking to you, God. So thank you. And thank you very much for your help.
Welcome. Welcome. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much,
Have a
Lama,
good
and
nice day.
goodbye. See you.
Welcome. Goodbye. See you
Have a good
soon.
night.
Bye. You too.